are top 5 reasons you are not getting views, and this is how to fix it. This 2025, this is how to fix it. Let's be real, creating YouTube videos is hard enough, but getting people to actually watch them, that's even harder. So if you are stuck with low views, today I'm breaking down the 5 biggest reasons your videos aren't performing and exactly how to fix each one. Reason 1, boring titles and weak thumbnails. If people don't click your video, if people don't click on your video dies. That is the harsh truth. And if your title and thumbnail, that is what sells the click. Your titles and your thumbnails are what make people to click. So use powerful keywords plus curiosity. Don't just say my routine, say the morning routine. That's what boosted my focus in 7 days. Thumbnails should be big, with big bold text, emotions, contrast, and make people want to click. Reason 2, weak hook in the first 10 seconds. Most viewers live in the first 10 to 15 seconds. Why? Because the intro didn't grab them. Here is what to do. Start with a problem or a promise, not just hey guys, try this. No one is watching your videos because you are doing these wrong things. Number 3, no targeted audience. If your video is for everyone, it's really for no one. Here is what you do. Pick a clear audience. Who are you talking to? Are you helping new YouTubers, students, or side hustlers, or parents? Who is your video meant for? Focus on the person. Every video should speak to one type of person and solve one clear problem. Number 4, you are invisible in search. YouTube is a search engine. If you are not using keywords, tags, hashtags, and if you are not using keywords in the right way or descriptions wisely, your videos won't show up. Here is what you do. Use keywords like how to grow on YouTube, small channel tip, etc. Add relevant tags and 2 to 3 hashtags. Use tools like VidQ, TubeBuddy, or just YouTube search bar. Number 5, you are not promoting the right way. Posting and praying is not a strategy. Here is what to do. Share clips on Instagram, Reels, TikTok, or Facebook. Join groups where your audience hangs out. Tell people what your video helps them with. Not just, hey, watch my video. Promote value, not your link. If you fix these 5 things, I promise you, your views will start to grow. But remember, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning, keep improving. Most importantly, keep showing up. If this video helped you, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and comment, I am ready for growth. Comment, I am ready for growth, so I know who is serious out there. Thank you for watching.